Alienware Aurora R15. This gaming beast, an evolution of its classic predecessor, boasts a sleeker design while delivering cooler and quieter performance. The Alienware Aurora R15 has made significant strides over its forerunners. It houses some of the most potent components in a visually appealing, easy-to-access case that remains cool even when pushed to its limits. Gaming at 4K resolution with all features activated was smooth and quiet, leading to impressive frame rates. This PC offers top-tier performance that is sure to please, although it comes with a hefty price tag. However, if you can afford it, this gaming powerhouse will serve you well for many years. While the Aurora R15 is a solid machine at its base price, capable of running many games smoothly, Alienware offers true enthusiasts the opportunity to customize their build. You can equip the Aurora R15 with an ultra-powerful Intel Core i9-13900KF CPU and GeForce RTX 4090 GPU. The system supports up to 64GB DDR5 RAM, available at 4800 MHz or the faster, pricier 5200 MHz, and storage options of up to 4TB SSD, plus a 2TB hard drive. Like its predecessor, the R13, the Aurora R15 also features an optional clear glass side panel, not available on all models, that provides a fascinating view into the machine's inner workings. A new feature for the R15 is the grille with hexagonal cutouts along the lower half of the panel, enhancing airflow. The Aurora R15's unique oblong case is aesthetically pleasing and more portable than many full-sized gaming PCs, despite its substantial weight. Alienware's Aurora R15 offers a comprehensive array of ports to satisfy any PC gaming enthusiast, some conveniently located on the front and others at the back. If you plan to pair your new gaming PC with a high-end speaker setup, the Aurora R15 comes equipped with all the necessary ports. In addition to side, rear, and center subwoofer output ports, it provides line in and line out, a microphone input, and two SPDIF digital outputs, one for Toslink cables and one for coaxial cable. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.